Hello guys, in this video, we will talk about the Jim.com and see whether this AI payment software is worth trying in 2025. Jim.com positions itself as a smart financial tool that combines AI budgeting, crypto to fiat payment processing, and automated invoicing, which is especially for freelancers and digital entrepreneurs. The user interface is sleek and modern. You can track expenses across multiple currencies and platforms in real time. The AI even suggests optimal times to convert crypto for lower fees. The pros of this website is that it integrates with PayPal, Stripe, and major crypto wallets. It has no monthly fees. You only pay fees per transaction. It has smart notifications on due invoices and budget alerts. The cons are it still lacks tax filing automation. Its customer support is limited to email only, and it has no mobile app yet. It has only browser-based as of 2025. So if you are a freelancer dealing with clients across borders and currencies, Gym.com is a great supplemental tool. But it's not a full accounting platform, so think of it more like an AI-powered payment assistant. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.